Pivot tables allow users to quickly summarize and arrange complex datasets. Here I have a small dataset of districts and stores within those districts. I want to quickly summarize store performance associated to each district. To do this, I can quickly create a pivot table. Start by highlighting the dataset. If it is a larger dataset, try using the Select All Control-A shortcut. Go to Insert, then click Pivot Table. Make sure the desired range appears and select whether you want it to create it in a new Excel sheet or select Existing if you want it created next to your dataset. I will choose Existing and select a cell a few columns to the right of my dataset. Click OK. Now you must choose the fields from your dataset to show within the pivot table. Since we want district to be the highest level to summarize up to, we can add that first, then stores underneath. You can also select the checkbox next to the value and reorder. Values will consist of any metrics you want aggregated at that row level. I will drag revenue to values. For this field, it defaults to sum. You can also add some formatting by highlighting the revenue numbers, click Home, and the $ symbol. You can now see summarized performance by district with store detail.